Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and that's my Instagram page at the top, so you can go and check that out. I'll be creating this design 3D French in this video, so keep on watching guys. Whether it's shiny or matte, comment below what is your favorite top coat, whether it's glossy or matte. Let's get into the video. So after I have shaped the nails, I will apply base coat, foundation gel, base coat first before I put the poly gel. So the nude that you see on top is a poly gel, and I use a nude gel polish to kind of create the color that I want. So I mix the gel with the poly gel together to create that color now that I'm shaping to create the smile line. So it's polygel guys, along with acrylic in this design. Alright guys, so guys, after I apply each color of the gel polishes, I use clear acrylic to cap it so I don't lose that color when I file again to shape out the smile line for the French. So each color is capped with clear as I go along and shaped the smile line. Continue watching. Yes guys, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, this is a time to do so. Please subscribe guys and help out a friend in growing my followers. Tell your friends to come on over and subscribe too. I'll appreciate it guys, and let me know what you would like to see in the videos. This set was not a request. I know it was a trend at one point. I don't know if it's still a trend today, but it was a trend, so I decided to do one of those designs. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you like. Let me know if you guys like this video by clicking the like button, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell to get updated every time I post. Later.